To change the settings and system UI style in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. From here, as you can see, I have a different settings screen, and you can get that as well by scrolling down and selecting personalization. Inside, we want to find the themes option. Click on it, then go into your themes right here. Pay attention to the price, make sure to download a free one if you don't want to pay money for it. So let's select, for example, this one right here. Then we can download that specific theme. And after a moment, it's done. We can click on customize and then look for a system change only. Make sure to apply the settings with those system change only selected if you want. And then if we go back and open our settings, in this case, it didn't change much for the system UI, but maybe notification panel did, yeah, it did change. So you can experiment with that, download different themes and apply their system UI to get a custom one. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.